If a sub 1 equals 1 and a sub 3 equals 3 and 2 times a sub n minus 1 plus 3 divided by a sub n minus 2 is equal to a sub n, then what is the value of a sub 5? All right, so this is a recursion pre-calculus type problem, and I'm going to show you how to do this on Desmos. All right, so we're going to solve this using Desmos, and Desmos is a nice way to solve recursive type problems. We are going to put it in function format. So I'm going to define f of n is equal to, and I'm going to say fraction, make a fraction bar, 2 times f of n minus 1 plus 3 in the numerator, and then I'm going to say f of n minus 2 in the denominator, and we're going to add base cases f of 1 equal 1, and we're going to make f of 2 equal to 3. All right? And then all we have to do is figure out f of 5. It's in decimal format here, so we switch that to fraction format, and we get 17/9 as our answer.